everybody's doing. It's feeding time. Everybody just got fed, watered. Doing pretty good. Just all their eggs. Doing good. That'll be their first round that they've gotten. I just put them together not that long ago. So they're doing pretty good. These guys here doing good too. She's been sitting in her nest for a while. But as soon as I come in here, always gotta get up, always gotta move around. So, but yeah, she's doing good. And these guys right here, they're doing good also. Everybody's getting ready to start breeding again. Like I said, I threw these together not that long ago. So they're on their first eggs already. And these guys should be working on their second round right now. So hopefully they give me a good pair of eggs and we'll see what happens. All right, take it easy. Bye.